Today I'm going to talk about a very important thing which is commonly utilized by the people who are sellers of. Let's suppose you have an active store on Shopify, Amazon, eBay, or even TikTok marketplace, and you have a large number of products on your stores, but sometimes you have cancellation of order. Whenever any your buyer cancel his order, you will not be panic. This is the first step. And accept it, approve it, and because of these all platforms working on money back guarantee. So you first of all pay attention towards the willing, towards the will, towards the happiness of your buyer. If your buyer is willing, agreed with you, and whenever you have to talk something with, you have to discuss something with your buyer, very, very politely. This is the major element of online business. Whenever some sellers becomes feels panic while they are talking to their buyers, then they create issue for them. Because of if there is a harsh wording used with their buyers, then the buyer will open the case on eBay, on Amazon, TikTok place, or any online platform. So that's why you have to be polite with it. Accept, approve the cancellation, give him money back, and solve the issue. This is, I think so, the very, very safer side for the seller. Thank you.